Hello friends, let's make an omelette which you have never tried before. So let's start. Take a oil in a pan, then just add half tomato and fry it little till it becomes soft. You should do it on medium to low flame. So you can see it start becoming soft. Now we can add salt and pepper inside. I'm using the red pepper actually. You can add up to your taste. Now we fry it again. This is I'm taking for 3 eggs this material, so we can add capsicum thin sliced and mix it and cook it slightly so that it becomes a little soft. So you can see it start getting soft now. So it's ready now. So now we will add eggs inside. There are 3 eggs. We will add them to inside this one and we will mix it slightly so that everything is distributed evenly. And you can see it's ready. Now this time we will make the flame very low and we will cover it and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Don't try to turn it over, it will break. So you can see now our egg is ready. Just take out another pan and enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video.